Setting up Microsoft VPN client with VPN Book. On Microsoft's VPN client, setting up a VPN connection with VPN Book is simple. Here is a guide to get you started. 1. Navigate to Windows Settings. To get started, click on the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of your screen. 2. Open Windows Settings. Choose the Settings option from the menu on the left. 3. Go to the Network Settings. The Windows Settings screen will then be displayed. After that, select Network and Internet. 4. Access VPN Settings. You will now be on the Network and Internet page, where the left sidebar has some menu options. Pick VPN from the provided selection. 5. VPN Connection. A new VPN page will open on the screen's right side. You'll add your new VPN connection here, so look for the button. 6. Add a new VPN connection. When you click on it, a pop-up window appears. We need to get the VPN Book information ready before moving on. 7. Launch your preferred browser. To get the necessary VPN Book information, launch your choice web browser, such as Google Chrome. 8. Look up VPN Book. To find the official website, type VPN Book into the browser's search bar. 9. Visit the VPN Book website. Select the VPN Book link in the list of search results. 10. Choose the best strategy. You'll be taken to the landing page for the VPN Book VPN. Choose the PPTP and OpenVPN link to begin because there is no registration needed for this choice. 11. Gather VPN Book information. Because it supports Windows, pick the first option, Free PPTP VPN. 12. Configure the VPN connection. Let's return to the Add a VPN Connection screen at this time. Select Windows, Built-in, in the VPN Provider section. In the Connection Name section, give your VPN connection a special name, for example, US VPN. To copy the server name, go back to the VPN Book page, copy us1.vpnbook.com and paste it into the server name or address field. Choose Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol, PPTP, for the VPN type. Select Username and Password under Type of Sign-in Info. The username and password must be copied from the VPN Book page's list of free PPTP VPNs and entered in the relevant fields marked Username and Password. Press the Save button to finish. 13. New VPN Connection. On the screen, your freshly set up VPN connection, US VPN, will show up. 14. Connect to VPN Book. Click the Connect button to establish a connection to your VPN Book server. 15. Automatic Connection. Once you successfully connect to the VPN Book server, a Connected notification will appear below the US VPN label. 16. Verify your IP location. Use a service like What is my IP address, which will display your IP based on the connected server, to confirm the location of your new IP address. It should, for instance, display Delaware, USA as your location. You have all you need right now to use Microsoft VPN Book safely and discreetly. Enjoy the improved internet security and privacy.